Good morning and happy Vlogmas Day 22. Look at all the snow. I'm so happy right now. So I just got Vlogmas Day 21 uploaded and now I'm just gonna start getting ready for my day. Okay, Google, pause. So if you can't tell, I'm in my Christmas apron. Normally I don't have the top part on, I just like fold it under so it goes right here, but when I bake, shit goes everywhere. It is called Cake Mix Chocolate Chip Santa's Cookies. So I'm gonna get started making these because I have so many to make, and I'll time lapse it so you guys can enjoy. Okay, so I undid this. It was irritating me. So the first batch of cookies went in. I did 2 pans because that's like what I have the space for. I do have a third pan just to be safe. Good Lord. Okay. So when they come out, they just look like this. I honestly think I might have baked these too long. I flattened them out because I forgot to before I put them in. And then I just take them and transfer them onto the cooling tray. Okay, so hold on a minute. Okay, now that I handled that, so I made my first batch with just chocolate chips, my second batch with chocolate chips and the rainbow sprinkles, and then my third batch I split in half, and then the top of one I did the Christmas sprinkles, and then the top of the other one I did like the blue with the snowflakes. Hold on. The like sprinkles that are blue with the snowflakes. I'm taking a break because I'm hot. I lost my list, so I have no idea who these cookies are even going to. So I'm going to sit down. That was my vape. I'm going to sit down a minute and try to figure out who all is getting... I'm going to try to figure out who all is getting cookies. So I'll check in with you guys in a little while. Oh, because that was only the cookies that like I don't even want to, I almost said that I specialize in, and that's not the word, that I do every year. I don't know what time it is. Hold on. So it's 12:19. I don't know if you can see that. Which is awesome, actually. I feel like I'm doing pretty decent as far as baking goes because I've already done 3 things of them. So yeah, I'm going to quit talking. I'm going to get to figuring out who's getting what, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm pretty positive the last time I updated you guys, excuse my hair, was when I was baking cookies. I baked a crap ton after that, and then me and Kyle brought his mom her cookie tin, and his sister and the kids their cookie tin, but the kids weren't there, unfortunately. And then we brought my dad and his girlfriend their cookie tin and their present. And then they gave us our present, which we did open, and then we called them later and said thank you. Me and Kyle decided on Christmas Day we're just going to be staying home, which we haven't done yet since we've been together. Every single, like, holiday, it's, you know, run, run, run. So we're just going to enjoy a Christmas at our house. And then it got super late. We picked McDonald's up. We came home and ate, and then I don't even know, like, I think he played a game and I watched YouTube or something, and then we went to sleep, and that's about it. But I forgot to end the video, obviously. That's why you see me looking a hot mess this morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this so I can start today's video, because it's already 10 o'clock and I have to finish editing this still. So I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like this video. Peace out, Girl Scout.